my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee, and listen, I just got back from Walmart. Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee, and look, I just got back from my trip to Walmart. This bag is heavy, but I had to step in to pick up all of my Cantu essentials because it's summertime. It's hot outside, and you know what that means? It's festival season. We have all of these amazing festivals coming up, and I wanted to give you guys a hairstyle that was affordable and cute and using all Cantu. My hair was looking dusty, crusty, and in need of a good cleansing, so I went ahead and saturated my hair with water because we're getting ready to shampoo it using my Cantu for Natural Hair Sulfate-Free Cleansing Cream Shampoo. Let's remove this. That didn't work out like I planned. Always focus shampoo primarily on the scalp of your hair and use your fingertips to gently massage and work it in. And I love a good creamy shampoo that doesn't feel like it's going to dry or strip your hair. Now we're gonna go rinse this out so that we can proceed to conditioner. All right. Now that the shampoo has been thoroughly rinsed out, we're gonna move on to the next most important step, which is, of course, conditioning. You can't skip this step, sis. So I'm going to use my Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Sulfate-Free Hydrating Cream Conditioner. And I'm going to apply a generous amount, working in from root to tip, but primarily working it onto my ends. Let this sit for maybe about 5 or 10 minutes and then thoroughly rinse it out. This is also a great opportunity or a great time to go ahead and detangle your hair, especially if you have difficulty doing so. Now that everything has been rinsed out, we've shampooed, we've conditioned, we're gonna proceed to the styling process because I know y'all ready to get into it, but we do have to prep for this style. I'm going to do a braid out so that my hair can be stretched, but I can also have a bit of curl definition. So the first step after cleansing and conditioning the hair is to apply a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. This goodie right here. This leave-in could be used on its own because it's definitely thick enough, but I'm going to go ahead and put the coconut curling cream right on top of it. Smells so good. So detangle each section from the ends, apply a bit of the coconut curling cream, and then just braid it on up. I'm gonna braid the rest of my hair, allow it to dry overnight, and then we'll be back. We're back. I did my braid out. I did sleep in it overnight so that it could properly dry, and I am left with 12 braids. So we're going to go ahead and go in and remove these braids so that we can style this hair. Braids are out. My hair is definitely fluffy, it's soft, and it's defined. Look at that. We're not gonna fluff it out. Don't do it. At least not yet. For the actual styling process, we are going to use some edge gel. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. Grab a rat tail comb and part your hair down the middle. And then we're going to part along the edges. Take a little bit of the edge gel. And pro tip is to actually put it on the back of your hand. It's so much easier to scoop out. And we're going to apply it to the edges of this section so that we can flat twist it. So for flat twisting, you're gonna grab small sections and twist to the scalp, adding hair as you go. 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends, but I am going to add a bit more moisture using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. And use a bobby pin right at the base to secure the flat twist. Now we're going to repeat this step on the other side. Grab a small section to start the flat twist off and go ahead and 2-strand twist to the scalp. Apply a bit of the curl activating cream to the ends, then bobby pin it at the base. We're also going to do a flat twist right down the middle, so just using this middle part, we're going to create a slightly wider part to get it directly in the middle. I'm applying some curl activator cream to the ends of this section, and then of course some edge gel on the side. I'm going to 2-strand this section forward, put it in a small ponytail, and create 2 separate twists coming down. Now that this is rubber band, we're just going to split this section in half and do 2 twists or braids. These pieces are going to hang down. To keep it way down, we're going to use hair jewelry. And then just to further help this stay in place, I am going to add 1 bobby pin right in the middle. For the rest of the hair, you could leave it down, but we're going to put it into 2 high puffs. I'm separating the hair just a little bit, and I'm going to use a bit more of the edge stay gel around the perimeter to slick it into the pony. To secure the puff, I'm using hair hooks from Cantu also. These are simply like elastic bands that have 2 hooks on the ends. By no means is this tight. I'm not going to fluff this section yet until I get the other one up. Repeat the exact same process. So cute! Now with the pick, go to work. Make it as big or as small as you want. We're back with the final festival look. I am dressed, makeup is done, hair is cute, and it's popping, and the best thing about it is that it's off of my neck, out of my face, at least for the most part, except for these 2. And I won't have to worry about it while I'm enjoying the weather and all of the festivities going on this summer. So make sure that you head to your local Walmart and pick up the Cantu for Natural Hair collection so you can get your festival look for the low. All of the products that I used in this video are available at Walmart, and I will leave links down below in the description bar along with the list of every single product used. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look and tutorial. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!